Let's learn with kids and play.
Today, we're learning the ABCs with animals.
Come join the fun and meet everyone.
Let's learn the alphabet.
Now I know my ABC.
A is for alpaca.
B is for bats.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
E is for eel.
F is for frog.
G is for goose.
H is for hermit crab.
I is for iguana.
J is for jellyfish.
K is for koala.
L is for lemur.
M is for monkey.
N is for narwhal.
O is for otter.
P is for polar bear.
Q is for quail.
R is for rooster.
S is for shark.
T is for turtle.
U is for urchin.
V is for vulture.
W is for warthog.
X is for X-ray fish.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.
Next time, won't you learn with us?